AMTS is a train which consists of combinations of active and passive trailers connected by drawbars. AMTS offers an all-in-one architecture allowing twin lift, tandem, or tridem operations. The transporting of 20-foot, 40-foot, or 45-foot containers, liquids or solids. It is compatible with the use of reach stackers, straddle carriers, or forklift trucks. The positioning of the guides for the passage of forklift truck forks. Control by remote drivetronic radio control for very precise maneuvers. Active trailer is the same as ATT trailer. It is equipped with power pack located under the trailer frame. The power pack is the biggest innovation in this field for decades. This vehicle is unique, one in its sector, offering an availability of 99%. As everything is concentrated in the power pack, it needs less than 20 minutes to remove and to replace it. This will contribute a lot in the maintenance efficiency and machine availability. Power pack is composed of quick move container corners on the power pack chassis to remove it, engine to steer the vehicle, propel it forwards and backwards, ventilation to cool the mechanical components, batteries to supply the starter when the Hero Start is not used, Hero Stop and Start to actuate the engine without a battery or starter. AMTS is full hydraulic system. The power is produced by hydraulic engine which draw power from the diesel engine. The hydraulics energy is distributed directly to all wheels. Shorter vehicle length, smaller turning radius, 13-meter outer radius, and individual control of the wheels by onboard computer dramatically improve AMTS maneuverability. The AMTS's ergonomic cab, fully screened, well insulated against noise and temperature, is offering immediately an intuitive driving to the user. All high-quality elements like the suspended driver's seat, the steering adjustable column, the dashboard, and driving devices are providing a very good comfort to the driver. Thanks to the technology used, we can add that there is no clutch pedal anymore. Acceleration and deceleration are very smooth. This patented chassis is bended instead of welded to increase the fatigue resistance, no cracking of weld bead, and the resistance to shock. This technology is offering better corrosion protection. The strong chassis, built in 3 modules fixed together by bolts, is sustainable for twin lift operations. Thanks to this modularity, the AMTS shipment is made in containers instead of RORO shipment. Screw connections to assemble with the front axle module. The vehicle is subject to technical checks which give rise to the obtaining of certificates issued by independent bodies recognized worldwide. TÜV, Bureau Veritas, APAV.
Very smooth ride, of course. Nothing beats actually getting into the machine and having a little bit of a feel. Compared to the traditional tractor, it feels quite strange the way you can, move the cabin around like that. And obviously, that's going to help a lot with the turning, the sharp corners and things like that. So I think a very interesting concept. Enjoyed the drive.
The ability to get an operator fresh off the street, put him in the machine, and driving within a few hours is quite good. The interchangeability of the power pack and the ability to make good use of the machine is extremely interesting, and I think that I've found quite a good product.
The machine show realistic cost saving, not just in terms of the manufacturing, but also in terms of the maintenance, the downtime, and overall picture.
The productivity.
Yes, the efficiency.
First impression is it looks like a normal car to drive, first of all, but longer, all I can say. And it's easy to operate and use it.
The AMTS can be summarized in 25 points of differentiation on the market. 1. Extraordinarily good maneuverability. The cab can pivot when the vehicle is not yet moving thanks to the Agility Drive Plus technology and the all-in-one architecture. 2. Control by remote drivetronic to drive the vehicle from outside the cab. 3. The Delta design chassis for the adjustability of the chassis camber resisting flexion and torsion, guaranteeing flatness for twin-lift operations. 4. The chassis modules and the guides are removable, and they are easily repaired and interchangeable. Upgradable, the modules allow a changeover from 40 feet to 45 feet and vice versa. 5. Automatic alignment by link mode for the precise alignment of several vehicles for operations under cranes. 6. Automatic acceleration regulation, Steertronic to program speed and thus reduce fuel consumption while increasing vehicle longevity. 7. Slowing in bends to increase safety, Agility Drive Plus to program speed when turning the wheels. 8. Power Pack, for the concept of concentrating the energy components in a removable container. Choice of the power and type of engine thanks to the Power Pack. 9. Quick move to extract the Power Pack in minutes and thus carry out maintenance or repairs. 10. 45 to 65% reduction in fuel costs with the Hero Stop and Start technology for programming the stopping and restarting of the engine without using the key ignition of batteries. 11. Linear regulation of the engine, Enginetronic to regulate the engine and so that the rev count is linear and thus obtain the best output. 12. 45 to 65% increase in the lifespan of the equipment. 13. Optimized safety for the driver thanks to the safe box front and side bumpers, the hoops around the cab, and the placing of the engine at a safer distance. 14. 360-degree visibility. 15. Quick, easy access to all the functionalities in the cab and also in the Power Pack. 16. Personnel required to be qualified to Level 1 for maintenance and operation. 17. The lowest cost on the market for maintenance, management of stocks of spare parts, and the surface area required in the repair shield. 18. Automatic test vehicle for testing and maintenance without stopping operations. 19. A movable test desk, removable test and maintenance bench for the Power Pack. 20. Easy transport of the vehicles, which are designed to be packed into a container. 21. Reverse mode. 22. Shorter turning radius. 23. Hydraulic suspension suspendrolic. 24. Reduction maintenance 50%.